Arjun controversy in Telangana refuses to die down. It is Neta versus Abhineta now, with the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy making a series of allegations against the Pushpa 2 actor. Condemning Telugu actors' actions during Pushpa 2 screening at Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad, the Chief Minister accused Allu Arjun of disregarding public safety. Revanth Reddy further stated that DCP had asked the actor to leave after the woman's death, but the actor was insensitive and waved at the crowd and held a roadshow. Actor Allu Arjun held a press conference and refuted all the allegations against him as misinformation and misquotation. He countered the Chief Minister's claim about holding a roadshow and stated he simply waved at the fans and left. Let's listen in to this mega war of versions.
डीसीपी आके सीधा हटा के इनके जो भी है सब सिक्योरिटी वाले पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर देके डीसीपी जाके हीरो को बोल दिए कि भाई तुम तुरंत निकलना, नहीं है तो हम लोग अरेस्ट करना पड़ता, क्योंकि 2 लाश गिर गए बाहर। आप वो यहाँ पर थिएटर में बैठ के तमाशा किए तो ये कंट्रोल नहीं होने वाले हैं, हम नहीं सुनने वाले हैं, आपको अरेस्ट करके पुलिस स्टेशन लेकर जाना पड़ता। आप तो निकलो। जबरदस्ती से वो हीरो को हमारा डीसीपी वो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन देकर उनको बाहर लेकर आए।
The theatre has sought permission and I've been there, and right in front of my eyes there's police people who are clearing the way, so I was going by their direction. In fact, if there's no permission, they'll tell us that, sir, we don't have permission, please return back, and I'm a law-abiding citizen and I would have followed that. But within some time they came and told me, sir, there's uncontrollable crowd outside the theatre, you have to please vacate. I said 100% okay. No police personnel, nobody ever told me. It was just told by one or two of my managing people.
ఈ సినీ ప్రముఖులు ఒక్క రోజు కోసం పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ పోయిన ఇంటికాడ క్యూ కట్టి ప్రభుత్వాన్ని తిడుతుండ్రు, నన్ను తిడుతురు, అతన్ని పరామర్శిస్తున్నారు. ఏమైంది అధ్యక్ష? అతను కాలు పోయిందా, కన్ను పోయిందా, చేయి పోయిందా, ఏమైనా కిడ్నీలు దెబ్బతిన్నా, ఏమైంది? అతన్ని ఇంతమంది సినీ ప్రముఖులు పరామర్శించిండ్రు, కలిసిండ్రు, అభినందించిండ్రు, కానీ ఆ పిల్లగాన్ని కనీసమన్నా పరామర్శించడానికి సినీ ప్రముఖులు ముందుకు రాలేదంటే సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్న ప్రముఖులు ఏం ఆలోచన చేస్తుండ్రో, ఏం కోరుకుంటుండ్రో నాకైతే తెలియదు.
I just want to say my intentions are very pure and very clear, and there's a lot of misinformation saying that I've been very irresponsible. Oh, let some 2-3 limbs be broken, that means movie is hit. No, absolutely, I have not made any. I cannot make. Believe me as a person, I cannot use such language. Please don't judge me. Please don't have character assassination on me. Please, it's my kind request. I am not that kind of a person. I've been here for 20 years. After 22 years of work, and overnight when it's sabotaged, it really hurts.
And viewers, other Congress netas too have held the actor responsible in this case for breaking the law. Listen in.
He said that in future he will never allow such promotional activities if the actors will behave irresponsible, because people of Telangana have made them heroes. And yesterday in his press conference, he was supposed to talk like a real hero, because the family which suffered are the fans of him. They think he is the real hero, but the way he spoke on a written script shows that he is not a real hero, he is only cinema hero. He only works on the script.
BJP meanwhile has blamed the state government. Listen in.
जब भी कोई बड़ा शो होता है या जब फिल्म स्टार जाता है, उसका पूरा जो बंदोबस्त है वो लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और पुलिस का होता है। वहाँ की सरकार वो पूरा बंदोबस्त करने में, वहाँ पर जो पुलिस का अरेंजमेंट करने में, व्यवस्थाएं करने में विफल हुई, और अपनी विफलता को ढकने के लिए वह अब एक बड़े सिने स्टार अल्लू अर्जुन को पर आरोप लगा रही है।